All right, in Capitola. Got guys skipping rocks on the water. Gotta get away from that. Some birds diving, some birds close by over there. Heard there's bait fish in the water, but we'll see. Not too much seaweed. I don't think it's hot enough for a popper, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. Got him. Yeah, little guy. Got off, but hey, they're out there. Just a baby, but it's a fish. Yeah, I need to go to where those birds are for sure. That's where I'm gonna head next. No bird, no, you see him? Pelican wants it. Think he figured it out though. I just don't have a good feeling about top water right now. That bird's looking at it. Look at him going down. Look at him going down. Wow, dude. Look at him, he's still going for it. Come on, man. Where's the fish at? That pelican's looking at it again. All right, passed, he passed. Fish might be doing the same thing, I don't know. I think I'm gonna get a deeper bait now. Wait a minute, there we go, something's popping. It might be just bait fish, but something was popping by my popper. Oh man, there's bait fish here. I'm just spooking them, but they're here. So that one more cast thing, just can't help myself. Wind's picking up now. Deeper. Dude, that can't be a fish, is it? Feels like it might be, but I don't know what it is. Oh, it is. What did I get? What did I get? I think I snagged him. I got a Jacksmelt on the plug. I don't think he's gonna make it. I don't think he's gonna make it. Oh man, he might have went for it, I don't know, but I'm sorry, man. I did not mean that to happen. Yeah, let's keep casting here for a little while. See what happens. Oh, I missed him. I don't know if that was a striper, but it was a fish. Might have been another Jacksmelt. I was not ready. Dang it. Don't think that was a striper though. I think if it was a striper I would have got him, but keep trying here. Oh, there's some bait fish. Saw him pop right there in front of me. That's a good sign. Jacksmelt might have been going for those. Uh-oh, something bumped it. Yeah, it's probably a Jacksmelt. That's crazy if they're going for this big bait. But something bumped it again. I don't know if I'm just running into them or if they're actually like trying to bite it. And we got bait coming through here for sure. I would think there still might be some stripers here, but I don't know if we still got some or not. Alright, get my line down before that bird comes in. No bird, no. There we go, alright, we're good. No, see him? Look at him, he sees it, man. No, what are you doing? What are you doing? All right, gave it a shot. Low tide coming up. Yeah, I think they're kind of far out there right now. That was close. Hit it actually pretty hard. It's probably a decent one. Just not ready for him. Going down as we speak, the tide. Got him. That's weird, he ran me up. Line went slack and I was like, he's probably running me up. And he did. It's a small one, but hey. I got him. I got him. I was surprised. Looks like a Jacksmelt, I think. Might be a perch, but I think it's a Jacksmelt. Oh yeah. That's a Jacksmelt. Yay. There he is. Low tide. See if I can get him back in the water. Alright. Let him go. He's got it. There's a lot of bait out here, but yeah, just I don't know. I wonder if I should cast by that seaweed I'm looking at right now. Man, they're going crazy out there. Look at all of them. They diving. Wow. That's crazy, dude. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get my flash minnow because that's getting a little crazy. It's getting a little too good looking. It's a lot of birds. I just have to be careful not to hook a bird. Alright, let's give it a shot. Just be careful here. They're moving out now. That's not good. Don't hit the bird. No, 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 no. Oh! Dude, this is very difficult. Wow, look at them diving, man. They just keep diving and diving. Man, right in front of me. There's not a striper here? It'd be nice. Gotta be some stripers here still. For the most part, they're really far out. Something's eating those bait fish, dude. I'm looking at something swirling right now on the bait fish right in front of me. Right in front of me, man. That's crazy. Not too much, but every now and then.
See those little anchovies washed up? I've never seen it.
Sometimes, yeah.
Is it like, you know what it is?
I think they're either sardines or I forget what they're called.
Turned around, or they're just.
I'm not sure exactly.
They're all chemmed up or something.
Well, there's some bait balls out there. Birds have been going down for them.
Oh, and they might be injured or something.
They might be. They might be just pushing them up. They're trying to get away and they beach themselves.
That's what I did.
Yeah, I saw them. You too. Oh, I see what you're saying. Huh. There might be some action down there. I might make the walk. Thank you. Okay. Got him. Little guy, but I got him. All right. All right, on low tide. Get him in. Feels like a perch. Feels like a little perch. A little perch, a little perch. I think. Yeah, it's a perch. All right. Little barred. I'll let him go. It's a guy. All right. Messed up his lip a little bit, but I think he'll be just fine. All right. Little guy. There you go, dude. Whoa. That was a decent bite. Not the same spot as last time. Must be a hole here or something. Whoa! Was that a seal? I couldn't see it. I don't think that was a fish, but there's a big pile of bait right here right now. That's amazing, the bait right here. I don't know if that was a seal or a fish, but if that was a fish, the thing was huge. There they are again. What is that, dude? That's not, I don't think that's a striper, but I'm seeing them blow up on the water right there. I don't think that's a striper though. I'm gonna throw where I saw that swirl. I don't think it's a striper. But I'm gonna throw it there anyway just to see what happens. Oh dude, there's a ton of birds down there. Oh wow. Oh wow, dude, I might have to walk down there. I didn't realize there was that many. They look like they're almost on the beach though. I'm not sure. There we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah! Come on. Take it, take it, take it, take it. Ah, what are you doing, dude? What are you doing? Alright. Oh, did I get him? Yeah, I got him. I got him that time. Alright, yeah. That's probably a Jacksmelt, but hey. Got him that time. Alright. Yeah, Jacksmelt. What I thought, man. Whoa, dude. Whoa, come on. Chill. 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 If you chill, you go free. There you go. There you go. He'll make it. Look at him go. Woo! Man, that's a long walk, but I just don't know. There might be some. If they're striped bass, they're going to be down there. I guarantee it. Man, don't be lazy. Walk it. I have to use the bathroom too, man. Ah, a tough spot. Ah, happened again. Why does my bail close on me like that? No, they're moving now. Dang it. See, I knew that was going to happen. I don't think it's worth it now. Got him. Jacksmelt again. Another Jacksmelt. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Not a bad one either. Oh, he went with the grub, I think. Wow. He's a fighter. He's a fighter. He's a fighter, dude. Chill. Let him go. They're still down there, but they're further away now. Start walking down, they're gonna move again. I'm being lazy. Can't be lazy. Oh, they're moving again. Oh my God. Got me some seaweed. I got me some seaweed, boy. Chee. Knock some seaweed in the morning to get you up and going. Get me a bite. Mountain bike. Hook my gear on it and I can like ride really far for remote spots on a bike. With waders on, I don't know. No, I couldn't do it with my waders on. I would have to put my waders on after I got to my destination. And then off. There we go. Come on. Come on, Jackson. Oh, felt the weight. I had him for a second. I just missed him. Not going for it again yet. They are. Got him that time. Got him that time. That's a decent one, I think. All right. Not bad. Another Jacksmelt. Get him in. Get him in. No, that's a perch. That's a perch. She's not too bad. We'll let her go. All right. Oh, she almost got me. Let's do it again. All right. Oh, she is slippery. Whoa, she's slippery. Let's try it again here. On low tide. All right. Nice. She's not huge, but hey, it's a perch. Thought it was gonna be another Jacksmelt. There you go, girl. They're definitely biting it weird. Very strange. There we go. Come on. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. Ah. Come on. Take it. Take it. Take it. Got him. All right. All right. Oh, that's another perch. All right. We got some perch here, man. That's a female. All right. Whew. Ooh, hooked her in a bad way. Be careful here. There we go. She'll be okay. All right. Let her go. They're not huge, but hey. Yeah, go, go, go. All right. Might try a sand crab here soon. Mix it up a little bit. Whoa. Dude, was that a striper? Dude, that's a striper. That's a striper. Come on. Come on. Hurry up here. All sorts of problems, man. My lines are wrapped around me now. Oh my god. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Oh my god. Jesus, man. I can't believe that. They're probably all gone now. Pretty though. Son. Let's try the popper again, man. Oh, really?
Crazy. Yeah, you want to see?
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, right?
That's a big one.
He was like,
God.
biggest one he ever brought in, he said.
You guys released it though?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I was trying to go for stripers earlier, but I caught some perch and Jacksmelt. Nothing major. I got seaweed right now. Yeah. Thank you.